Niva Legend is a real legend. This car is the most popular Soviet car in the world. Only Soviet metal that is more popular than Niva is AK-47. First big media attention Niva had in Dakar. It was so good that few separate teams competed with each other only in Nivas. Niva clubs are located all over the world, in the US, in Holland and even in Australia. But in Australia, not many have new Nivas, everybody has old Soviet Nivas. But England and Europe has a lot of new Nivas. Most popular place for Nivas in Europe is in Germany, and from Germany Nivas spread all over the Europe. YouTube loves reviews on Niva, especially English-speaking YouTube. Almost all videos have 100,000 views, some even have millions. I traveled to many countries and had a lot of international friends. And many of my international friends, when we start talking about cars, they always ask about Niva. Even people that not into the cars, they know what is Niva and how it looks. This car is loved by everybody. True Niva lovers will defend this car even if it has oil leaks or squeaky noises. Owners will always prove that oil is the sweat from the horsepower under the hood, and squeaky noises can be solved by not paying attention to it. People who hate Nivas have no idea why does this car exist and do not understand what is car industry. Niva is a cult car because it is loved all over the world, and bad cars cannot be loved by so many people from different countries with different mentality and approach to life. Original Niva was designed by 4 people, 2 were males and 2 were females, and even 50 years old prototype looked cute. Today with minor adjustments, car still looks cute, but now it has little aggression and brutality to it. Mirrors are made from very nice plastics and it's nice to touch it. Plastic on the bumpers are very hard, basically indestructible. It is same as metal. I think LADA engineers don't know that they created metal from plastic. But some say that in extreme cold Siberian weather, some of the bumpers can be cracked. Front reminds me of a bulldog. It's very cute, very long, it has this nice feeling to it. New wheels are beautiful, and with that beauty, half of the comfort is gone. When you open hood, car becomes even more cuter. It looks like it's cheering for some team. Under the hood we have 1.7 liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 83 brake horsepower. If you use good petrol and keep up maintenance, it will serve you 200,000 kilometers without any problems. If you want to buy one, be ready for loud noises all the time. Doesn't matter in what gear you are or what is your RPM engine and transmission, it will always scream at you all the time. Niva is good off-road car, and because of its lightweight body, 1.2 tons, it can go anywhere and anytime. Interior is solid as rock, no rattle noises, just a lot of wind noise out of nowhere. We have some luxury features like electric adjustment for mirrors, heated seats, imaginary sound system. Also we have bright dials and all the buttons feel very hard and reliable. Trunk is small and it really shows that car is small and there is nothing that can be done to increase trunk space. Also, when you close the trunk, it is so loud inside the car that you can lose your hearing. Plastic on door feels more like bulletproof vest. Seats are made from indestructible material that are very easy to clean. Just one spit on the spot and everything is cleaned. I like when you move seats, it is moved all the way to the front, and it does it automatically. No need for pushing or pulling. It's easier to find Narnia than trunk release handle in this car. Explanation from LADA engineers why this handle is located in such a ridiculous place is very simple. Space at the back is not as bad as you expect it to be. In short distance you will survive. But in the front, car is very spacious. 2 people will feel very comfortable in the front without any problems. If somebody knows what is the purpose for these holes, please let me know in the comments, because I searched everywhere, I couldn't find why there is this cuts in the plastics from the both sides. Of course, there is very unique features for the LADAs, like front bumpers will not fit to another car. Each bumper is adjusted to each car because it's just made very badly. But nevertheless, I'm sure that LADA NIVA will be sold in 10 or 20 years time. Because It gives you a feeling of simple engineering. If you're American or Uzbek or German and you are behind the wheel of Niva, you will always feel like a Russian Stepan driving on Russian country roads in 1976 in Soviet Union. And it is a truly great feeling. LADA NIVA 2022 is very interesting experience. First, like 5-6 meters when I drove it, I couldn't get used to the gearbox because it's way there, and the gear changes. I would change the gear and I would ensure myself, is it on, like, is it in the right gear that I wanted? It's not in neutral. So then I will just gently press the accelerator when I change the gear. Now, after like 10 minutes of driving, I'm just very good with it. I change gears like better than I know my hands where the gear shifts are, and it's just perfect. It's just perfect. And you shift like this, you know, like really fast, because there is no other no other option. If you shift fast, you have to shift like that, you know, like a rally driver. If not, then it will be slow. Why people buy it even today, why people love it, I think it's because it gives you this mechanical feel. You drive it and you're part of the process of driving. If something happens, if God forbid you will get into an accident, this is 100% your fault, and that's it, you know. Just that's the main reason. Everything here is part of me, you know. Car doesn't do anything. There is no electronic assistance, there is no stability control, just you, and that's it. Only the hydraulics, like the wheel hydraulic system, that's it. And I think that's the main advantage of it, and the selling point here, why people buy it. Because with era of electric cars and nanny security systems that you have today in all the vehicles, this one is a unicorn. And there's not many unicorns today like this. So acceleration is, harder you go, the louder it shouts at you. So don't do it. Just enjoy 60-70 kilometers. Handling, look at the, look at this. Do you see it? And we are going straight. It doesn't respond at all. So this is the handling that we have here. And anyway, I love it very much. It's very soft, even on the 16-inch rims, and also it very relaxing. It's relaxing not because of its comfort features, that we don't have any of it, like 2-3. It's relaxing because it takes your mind off everyday problems. You drive it and you think, all right, my main focus right now, not to die. And you forget everything. You forget your problems, your family issues. That's why you love it so much. And that's a unique feature. You're too busy driving it like you should drive it. And today cars, they drive you, you don't drive them. They tell you where to go, how to go, what speed. And this one, just do whatever you want. If you die, that's your fault. I don't care. And that's a great feeling when car gives you total freedom. That's why people buy it and love it so much in so many countries. And that's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this LADA 2022? What do you feel about it? And don't forget about the charity project called Food for Life. Take care and bye-bye.